We are at Eugene's house because he has a problem. He can't find his dog, Max.
I can't find Max. Where can he be? Oh, I heard him. He must be in his little house. He's not in here. He must be out there. I see him. Max! Max, come here! Max, come on, it's your bad time. Oh, you're on top of the table. You don't want to get watched today, do you? Max, where are you going now? Under the bench, I see. Maxie, I don't want to play anymore. I'm tired already. Hey, you're back. And now you're next to me. So, ready for your bath?
The end.